Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add or post a full picture on Instagram. So let's get right into it. First things first, what you're going to want to do is actually start posting that picture. Swipe right and go to post, or just add a new post as you usually would, and then select the picture that you want. Then you want to click on next and you will see this icon with the arrows in the bottom left. You can stretch it, expand it, do whatever you want, or you can zoom it out like this and make it fit into the frame. Then if I go to next, as you can see, this will be your full preview. You cannot change anything here about the size. You can only change that here where you're adding music, or if you go to post and choose a picture, you can fit it like this, as you can see, but it should originally just fit the picture within the entire frame, and you'll have the sidebars or bars on top depending on the aspect ratio of the picture. But that is pretty much how you can post a full picture on Instagram. Again, you can zoom it out, zoom it in however much you would like, and that is literally all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.